During this tutorial, we're going to explore how to participate in upper class room selection. For this year, in this example, I'll use academic year contract example. For all students who are participating in room selection, you will use academic year housing contracts to participate in the upper class room selection process. Once you've navigated to your academic year contract terms, you'll want to make sure that you select the academic year 2026-2027 contract. When you click to continue your contract, it should bring you straight to your contract complete page. From here, make sure to review information about all of the pages that you have access to complete. And then in the dropdown, select upper class room selection. Once selected from the dropdown, use the Save and Continue button at the bottom to bring you to our room selection page. This landing page will give you information about the upcoming phases, when to expect them, and some tips and tricks on how to participate in room selection. If when you navigate to this page, your time ticket has not opened, when you hit Save and Continue, you'll be directed to a page giving you more tips and tricks for room selection, but not letting you participate in room selection at this moment. You will need to log out and revisit once your time ticket is open. If you have a question about your time ticket, please contact our housing front desk. Moving forward, if your time ticket is open, select Save and Continue at the bottom of this page. For the purposes of this demonstration, all room options for upper class room selection are currently being displayed.